Every stitch tells a story, and the right machine makes creativity easier to bring to life. Best Brother embroidery machines combine user-friendly features, precise stitching, and versatile design options to help beginners and experienced crafters create professional-looking embroidery projects with confidence and ease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Brother NQ1700E Embroidery Machine. The Brother NQ1700E embroidery machine is a premium embroidery-focused machine designed for users who want a large work area, extensive built-in content, and advanced editing capabilities. One of its strongest features is the spacious 6-inch by 10-inch embroidery field, which provides ample room for large designs and reduces the need for repositioning during complex projects. The machine comes equipped with 258 built-in embroidery designs, 140 frame pattern combinations, and 11 embroidery lettering fonts, offering a substantial collection of creative resources from the start. Wireless connectivity allows users to transfer embroidery files directly from a computer using design database transfer, eliminating the inconvenience of constantly moving files with USB drives. The large 4.85-inch color LCD touchscreen serves as an intuitive command center where users can resize, rotate, reposition, combine, and edit embroidery designs before stitching. Another advantage is the generous workspace between the needle and arm, making it easier to handle larger fabrics in embroidery projects. Compatibility with iBroidery opens the door to thousands of additional licensed designs, including popular character and themed collections.
Number 4. Brother Wireless Embroidery Machine. The Brother Wireless Embroidery Machine is designed for serious embroidery enthusiasts who want professional-level features and a generous embroidery workspace. One of the most impressive aspects of this package is the inclusion of Brother BES Blue embroidery software, which significantly expands design editing and lettering capabilities. With access to hundreds of embroidery designs and numerous digitized fonts, users can create highly customized embroidery projects with remarkable flexibility. The large 6-inch by 10-inch embroidery field allows for bigger designs and larger items, such as jacket backs, quilts, banners, and home decor projects. This expanded workspace reduces the need for rehooping and improves efficiency when working on large embroidery patterns. The machine's 4.85-inch full-color LCD touchscreen provides a clear view of embroidery designs and supports advanced editing functions such as rotation, positioning, reflection, and resizing. The included embroidery hoop and premium thread set add substantial value to the package, allowing users to begin stitching colorful designs immediately. The training materials and quick start resources are especially useful for those transitioning into advanced embroidery work. Wireless connectivity further enhances convenience by simplifying design transfers and reducing dependence on physical media.
Number 3. Brother PE545 Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE545 embroidery machine is an embroidery-only model designed for crafters who want to focus entirely on decorative stitching and personalized creations. This machine offers a straightforward embroidery experience while providing useful modern features that make custom projects easier to complete. One of its most appealing benefits is the included accessory bundle, which comes with multiple embroidery hoops, embroidery thread spools, and a variety of essential tools for setup and maintenance. The 4x4-inch embroidery area is well suited for monograms, patches, decorative accents, and personalized gifts. Users can explore thousands of embroidery design possibilities through the included design resources, making it easy to create unique projects without purchasing additional patterns immediately. The machine also supports wireless functionality through the Artspira mobile app, allowing users to create or download designs and transfer them directly to the machine. This wireless capability adds convenience and simplifies the design process for modern creators. The included hoops provide flexibility for different embroidery sizes, while the quality accessories help users get started quickly.
Number 2. Brother SE2000 Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE2000 embroidery machine is a feature-rich sewing and embroidery combo designed for users who want expanded creative possibilities and a complete accessory package. This machine offers the flexibility of both sewing and embroidery, while providing a larger embroidery area and a generous collection of included accessories. One of the biggest advantages of this bundle is the variety of embroidery hoops included, allowing users to work on projects of different sizes without needing additional purchases. The extensive thread collection, color-matching bobbins, and large assortment of sewing tools make it possible to begin creating immediately. For embroidery enthusiasts, the included design cards offer access to hundreds of designs, making personalization and customization easier than ever. The machine is suitable for monogramming, decorative stitching, home decor projects, quilting, and garment embellishment. The accessory package includes essential sewing feet, needles, scissors, measuring tools, markers, and maintenance items, creating a comprehensive setup for beginners and experienced users alike. The machine's computerized operation helps deliver accurate stitching and embroidery placement, while the embroidery capabilities allow users to create professional-looking designs at home.
Number 1. Brother SE700 Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE700 Embroidery Machine is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists who want the convenience of both sewing and embroidery in a single machine. Designed with versatility in mind, this model combines advanced technology with user-friendly features that make creative projects more enjoyable. One of its standout features is the 4" by 4" embroidery field, which provides ample space for monograms, decorative patterns, and personalized gifts. The machine comes with 135 built-in embroidery designs and 10 embroidery fonts, giving users plenty of options right out of the box. In addition, the 103 built-in sewing stitches allow for a wide variety of sewing applications, from garment construction to quilting and home decor projects. The large 3.7" LCD color touchscreen is easy to navigate and makes editing, previewing, and positioning designs simple. Wireless LAN capability is another major advantage, allowing users to transfer embroidery files directly from a computer without relying solely on USB devices. The ArtSpira mobile app expands creative possibilities even further by enabling users to draw custom embroidery patterns and send them wirelessly to the machine. That wraps up our picks for the best Brother embroidery machines. Whether you're personalizing gifts, starting a small business, or expanding your crafting skills, the right machine can make every project more enjoyable. Compare the features that matter most, choose the model that fits your needs, and start creating designs with confidence.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.